How to watch Telegram videos without downloading. Hello everyone, it's me Rock, and in this video tutorial, I'll be teaching you how you can watch the Telegram videos without downloading it. For this, at first you have to launch the very Telegram application on your device. You have to go to the search icon on your device and then search Telegram out there. After you search Telegram there and then tap on Telegram, Telegram will be launched on your very device. Now here, first of all, you have to just log into your Telegram ID. You can tap on your country here, and after you choose your country here and then just log into your Telegram, Telegram will be opened on your very device. Now after you log into your very Telegram application or Telegram ID on your very mobile, what you can do is you have to follow the next other steps. You have to maintain the settings that the very icon or the very application will not be able to download the videos on your device. So after you make the very option that the videos won't be downloaded, now if you'd like to see any of the videos, you can tap on the person like this and then go and see the video that has been sent to you by any of the person on Telegram. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.